Hello, I'm Chef Carol, and today I'm going to do a review and unboxing of the OXO Good Grips Pop Container 10-piece set. Since I began the keto lifestyle, however, I have purchased many different types of flours and sugars and additives. As a chef, it's just part of my curiosity to see how things work and what things will work better to make a better product. Now I find myself with a cluttered pantry again. So today I'm going to unbox what I hope will be the answer to my pantry disorganization. And I purchased this OXO Good Grip Pop Container 10-piece set. Based on the reviews, people have found this to be something that they like. They like the way it keeps things fresh, and they like the way it stacks and organizes. So I'm going to take a look for myself. So the first thing I can tell you is that the box is heavy. So let me get inside and see what it has to offer. Now it says that there are 10 pieces of varying sizes. I don't know if I'll need all of the sizes, but there's enough in this kitchen to make it all work. So the first of my items is this small storage cup. And I have another storage cup that's exactly the same size. So they stack once you press those buttons down. The next container I have looks like it probably in an ordinary kitchen would be a pasta, but I don't eat too much pasta, so I will have to figure that one out. The next container, smaller than my pasta container, but bigger than probably chocolate nibs. The next container is a little elongated. So far I have the pasta container, the two probably snack containers, one that's about double the size of the two snack containers, and this one. So that's 5 so far. Here's one that's probably designed to hold sugar. And here is another one. It's probably designed to hold flour. Okay, I have another one that looks like it's designed to hold crackers. According to the instructions, these items are dishwasher safe. Based on some of the reviews that I've read, it's been said that you have to kind of treat them as if they were glass because they are not shatterproof. I'm going for storage, freshness, and visibility. So I should be okay.